Can Nichiha be used if I have a tall project or one located in a coastal region susceptible to hurricanes?
Absolutely. Nichiha's Code Compliance Research Report from Intertech, or CCRR for short, 0299 is the number, is our Florida product approval, and it includes certification for the high velocity hurricane zones under Florida testing standards TAS 202 and 203. Additionally, we have a Miami-Dade acceptance for both our AWP and our Niche products lines.
What is Nichiha's Florida product approval or NOA number?
Our Florida product approval numbers for AWP as well as Sierra and Savannah is 12875. The Niche products line has its own approval, and this number is 12098.
Are any special measures necessary to use Nichiha in high wind locations or taller projects?
Typically, special measures are not necessary to install Nichiha AWP in high wind regions or on taller buildings. Just in case there might be an issue, we perform a technical design review, which is a free service where we review your plans, both architectural and structural. Our high-performance Ultimate Clip system with a standard application rates at an allowable design pressure of 95 psf for a typical wall assembly. Therefore, it's pretty hard to find a project that we can't do.
Thanks for watching. For more information, visit our website at nichiha.com.